The Leigh B975 box joint and Beehive Jig requires a minimum 1.5 horsepower router with a 1/2-inch collet to accept the included 1/2-inch shank straight bit. The B975 includes the patented Leigh E10 E-bush, a unique guide bushing that offers extremely precise joint fit adjustments. The Leigh E-bush is designed around the 1 3/8 inch industry standard. Some routers accept the Leigh E-bush directly, while others require the use of a guide bushing adapter. Check for your router on the guide bushing adapter selector on our website. For more information on the Leigh B975, visit LeighTools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All Leigh products carry a full 5-year warranty, and our customer care and technical support are second to none. Leigh products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.